Hello, I'm Derek Bontrager again with Stutzman's today. We're out in the field here standing next to the Krone 552T hay tedder. This hay tedder is a trailed hay tedder. It's got a drawbar on it. It's 540 PTO. Several unique features about the Krone Hay Tedders that differentiate them from other tedders. If you'll notice, all of our tine arms are round bars. These round bars are very stiff, very difficult to bend. Just keeps that tine arm in place, or keeps the tines in place as they're spinning around, and it just makes for a more robust machine. It'll last for more years. You get more years of service out of everything. Another thing that differentiates the Krone Tedder is two different things here. We've got tine. You see there's tines here that are yellow tines, and there are yellow tines here and green tines here. Those tines spin different directions. It makes it handier for the parts guys. If you ever break a tine, you call the parts guy and you say, hey, I need yellow tines, or hey, I need green tines. But these tines are also, because there's rights and lefts, they're spinning in different directions. You'll notice that one tine is longer than the other tine. That's designed that the design there is for when you're reaching down to the ground, both of your tines are able to pick up hay as that's spinning around, as opposed to one tine maybe being, if you've got even tines, it makes it a little more difficult to pick up your hay and spin it around. All of our tedders use sealed maintenance-free gearboxes, and all of our tedders also offer a boundary spreading feature. If I step back here and pull this pin, I can every Krone tedder has boundary spreading on it. Some of them are hydraulic, some of them are mechanical, like this one. If I want to spread my boundary to the inside of the field, I just take this lever and I shift it over there. If I'm spreading around the outside of the field going the other direction, or next to a windrow, or say somewhere where I don't want hay to get into, I can flip my boundary to this side. And then for just normal tethering, we just set it right into the center like that. So it's a very simple adjustment that it makes for better windrows, better hay formation as you're going through the field. Another thing that's unique with Krone tedders, we use an Octolink drive system, but that Octolink lets the drive shafts going through the frame here, there's always at least three teeth engaged on those, if not more, but you can actually run this tedder with it folded up in the air. It's kind of a unique feature to Krone. All the tedders are on these large balloon tires. All of ours are hydraulic fold. We do offer tedders in sizes from 15 foot up to, I believe, about 50 foot. So we cover quite a variety of conditions. We can adjust our tedders. We can adjust the pitch of them or fore and aft. You can also adjust how close your tines are to the ground. And we can even adjust, there's 3 different adjustments on the tine angle. So depending on the conditions that you're in, you can maybe time your tines forward a little bit or time your tines backwards a little bit to adjust it to different conditions. So if you have any other questions about tedders, feel free to give us a call at Stutzman's or stop in and ask someday. We're happy to help you out and happy to tell you about any of the other Krone products that we handle.